Hi, hello, this is Giri, teaching 9th Mathematics, the chapter Real Numbers. Here are the questions and solutions from exercise 1.4. In this video, we will learn the solutions of question number 10 first bit and also second bit. Here is the chapter Real Numbers and this is exercise 1.4 and this is question number 10 first bit. Find the values of rational numbers a and b if root 3 plus root 2 divided by root 3 minus root 2 is equal to a plus b root 6. I shall repeat. Find the values of rational numbers a and b if root 3 plus root 2 by root 3 minus root 2 is equal to a plus b root 6. Here, if you observe the given question, here we have given an irrational number root 3 plus root 2 divided by root 3 minus root 2. You can observe this fraction in which both numerator and denominator are irrational numbers. Now we have to write this fraction in the form of a plus b root 6. If you write this in this form, then you have to find the values of a and b. Here in LHS you can find an irrational number at denominator, but whereas at RHS the denominator is 1. Therefore you have to rationalize the denominator in this case. Okay, let us go for the solution. Here is the solution. Let us consider root 3 plus root 2 by root 3 minus root 2. Root 3 plus root 2 by root 3 minus root 2. As we found the denominator is an irrational number, let us rationalize the denominator. By rationalizing the denominator, here since the denominator is in the form of root a minus root b, its rationalizing factor is root a plus root b. That is, this total fraction is to be multiplied with root 3 plus root 2. That is, multiply both numerator and denominator of the given fraction with root 3 plus root 2. Then if you observe the product of both the fractions, the product of both the fractions is nothing but product of the numerators by the product of the denominators. Root 3 plus root 2 into root 3 plus root 2 is root 3 plus root 2 whole square divided by, now product of denominators, root 3 minus root 2 into root 3 plus root 2. This is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. Now let us apply this. Then this is root 3 whole square minus root 2 whole square. Now if you look at the numerator, numerator is in the form of a plus b whole square. Root 3 plus root 2 whole square is in the form of a plus b whole square. What is the expanded form of a plus b whole square? Good. A plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Therefore, if we apply a plus b whole square to numerator, root 3 whole square, a square means root 3 whole square, plus 2ab, that is 2 into root 3 into root 2, plus b square means root 2 whole square, divided by root 3 whole square is 3 minus root 2 whole square is 2. Now, let us simplify the numerator. Root 3 whole square is 3 plus 2 into root 3 into root 2, root over 3 2's 6 plus root 2 whole square is 2. Now, what is 3 plus 2? 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 2 root 6 divided by 1 is 5 plus 2 root 6. But we have given that root 3 plus root 2 by root 3 minus root 2 is equal to a plus b root 6. Root 3 plus root 2 by root 3 minus root 2 is equal to a plus b root 6. But we got that root 3 plus root 2 by root 3 minus root 2 is equal to 5 plus 2 root 6. Therefore, a plus b root 6 is equal to 5 plus 2 root 6. If you equate these two numbers, if we equate both the numbers, then their rational numbers are equal and their irrational parts are equal. That is, a is equal to 5, a is equal to 5 and b is nothing but the coefficient of root 6. Therefore, b is equal to 2. Isn't it? A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 2. Therefore, the values of A and B are A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 2. Understood? Very good. Now, let us solve the second bit of 10th question. Question number 10, second bit. Find the values of rational numbers A and B if root 5 plus root 3 by 2 root 5 minus 3 root 3 is equal to A minus B root 15. I shall repeat. Find the values of rational numbers A and B if root 5 plus root 3 by 2 root 5 minus 3 root 3 is equal to A minus B root 15. Again, it is in the same model. If you observe the given question, we can find both numerator and denominator are irrational numbers. Whereas if you look at this RHS, it is A minus B root 15 divided by 1. Therefore, here in this case we have an irrational number, a denominator, and whereas there is a rational number in the denominator of this RHS. Therefore, let us consider this fraction root 5 plus root 3 by 2 root 5 minus 3 root 3 and let us rationalize the denominator. Dear students, look at the solution now. Now, in order to find the solution, let us consider root 5 plus root 3 by 2 root 5 minus 3 root 3. Here, the denominator is 2 root 5 minus 3 root 3. Then what is its rationalizing factor? Rationalizing factor is 2 root 5. In the place of minus you keep plus. Plus 3 root 3 is rationalizing factor. Therefore, let us multiply both numerator and denominator with this rationalizing factor. Understood? We took root 5 plus root 3 by 2 root 5 minus 3 root 3 and let us rationalize the denominator. In order to rationalize the denominator, we have to multiply both numerator and denominator with 2 root 5 plus 3 root 3. 2 root 5 plus 3 root 3. Understood? Now, if you observe the numerator is nothing but product of both these numerators of the two fractions. That is root 5 plus root 3 into 2 root 5 plus 3 root 3. First of all, let us multiply 2 root 5 plus 3 root 3 with root 5. That is root 5 into 2 root 5 plus 3 root 3 plus the second term here root 3. Root 3 into 2 root 5 plus 3 root 3. Understood? Dear students, in order to find the product of two fractions, you have to multiply both numerators and you have to multiply both denominators. If you multiply both numerators, here there are two terms here and here also you can find two terms. Therefore, first of all, let us multiply the first term of the first number with the total second bracket, that is root 5 into total second numerator. Root 5 into 2 root 5 plus 3 root 3 plus, now second term of this, second term of the first numerator into total second numerator, that is root 3 into 2 root 5 plus 3 root 3 divided by, now if you observe the denominator, in this case both these denominators, if you observe both the denominators, here you can find minus, here you can find plus. These values are same. Therefore, it is in the form of A minus B into A plus B. We know that A minus B into A plus B is A square minus B square. Therefore, if you apply this formula here, then this is 2 root 5 whole square minus 3 root 3 whole square. Now, let us simplify the numerator. Let us find the product of all these. Root 5 into 2 root 5. Root 5 into root 5 is 5 and this is 2. Therefore, if you find the product of these two numbers, root 5 with 2 root 5, you can find 2 into 5. 2 into 5 plus 3 into root 3 into root 5 is root 5 into root 3 is root 15 and there is 3 before. Therefore, this is 3 root 15. 3 root 15 plus root 3 into root 5 is root 3 5 is 15 and there is 2 before. Therefore, this is 2 into root 5 into root 3 is 2 root 15 plus root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3 and there is 3 before. Therefore, this is 3 into root 3 into root 3 is 3. Is it clear? Dear students, I shall explain again. Please observe. Root 5 into this root 5 is 5. 2 into 5 plus 3 into root 3 into root 5 is 3 into root 3 into root 5 is root 15 plus 2 into root 5 into root 3 is 2 into root 5 3 is 15 plus 3 into root 3 into root 3 is 3. Therefore, this is 3 into 3. 2 5s 10 plus 3 root 15 plus 2 root 15. 3 root 15 plus 2 root 15 is 5 root 15 plus 3 3 is 9. Understood? Therefore, this is equal to 10 plus 9 is 19 plus 5 root 15 by minus 7. You see how this minus 7 come? If you observe here, 2 root 5 whole square, 2 square is 4, root 5 whole square is 5, minus 3 square is 9, minus root 3 whole square is 3. 4 5 is 20, minus 9 3 is 27, 20 plus 20 minus 27 is minus 7. Now 10 plus 9 is 19 plus 5 root 15 by minus 7. Now let us write this as two fractions. 10 plus 9, 19 by minus 7 or minus 19 by 7 plus 5 root 15 by minus 7, that is minus 5 by 7 root 15. But we have given that root 5 plus root 3 by 2 root 5 minus 3 root 3 is equal to a minus b root 15. But we got this value which is equal to minus 19 by 7 minus 5 root 15 by 7, isn't it? Now these two are equal. If we equate these two, you can observe that a is equal to minus 19 by 7. So a is equal to minus 19 by 7 and b is equal to minus 5 by 7, isn't it? Minus b root 15 is equal to minus 5 by 7 root 15. Therefore only b, this b is equal to 5 by 7. Therefore a is equal to minus 19 by 7 and b is equal to 5 by 7. By this we concluded the total chapter. We explained each and every problem of this chapter. All the video links of introduction to real numbers and the solutions of all the problems of exercise 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 and 1.4 are given in the description. You can click the video link and you can revise the chapter. Thank you one and all.